Hi everyone, welcome to Granddota Kitchen. So in today's video I'm going to be cooking creamy garlic mushroom sauce and chicken. So let's get started. We have the mushrooms here. We've got some garlic. We've got the chicken, spring onions, parsley, basil. We have also soy sauce and paprika powder, pepper and salt, and not forgetting Parmesan cheese. So I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle onions and pepper in the chicken, and then I add in also the paprika powder. I've added in the soy sauce also. So I'm going to go ahead and mix it until it is fully soaked into the ingredients. So I sprinkle some vegetable oil into a hot frying pan and then add in the marinated chicken. So at this point it is ready, and I'm going to remove it from this frying pan and then proceed with the cooking. So I add in the butter. I didn't show you the butter earlier, but here it is. And these are 2 spoons of butter, tablespoons. I'm gonna go ahead and play with it until it's fully dissolved. So I'm adding in garlic, mushrooms, the spring onions, pepper and salt, so I'm adding in also now the cream sauce. Guys, I will leave the recipe in the description box in case you want to try it out. But in any case, this video should be enough because everything was fully described well. I hope I did that really good. So I'm adding in the parsley, taking the chicken that I removed earlier, gonna go ahead and mix them together. Look at this. It looks really yummy. I can't wait to have it. I'm gonna go ahead and test one of the chicken. So the chicken is ready, and I'm gonna go ahead and grate this Parmesan cheese to the amount that I wish. And if you wanna also try this recipe out, the Parmesan cheese, about its measurement, you can do it as desired.
Hello. Let's put them in dancing time.
I think this is enough. So I'm adding in the basil to finish, and I'm going to sprinkle on the Parmesan cheese. And at this point it is done. I turn off the heat and let it stay hot with only the heat that it already has. So it's finished. I wouldn't want to cook the Parmesan. I can't wait to have this. Thank you very much for watching. This is how it has turned out, and please subscribe for more delicious recipes at Granddota Kitchen. Bye.